bright and beautiful front yard flower bed ideas. Get creative with your curb appeal. A well-designed front yard can greatly enhance the overall appeal of your home. One of the easiest and most effective ways to achieve a stunning front yard is by incorporating vibrant and colorful flower beds into your landscaping. In this article, we will explore a range of front yard flower bed ideas that will not only add beauty to your outdoor space but also boost your curb appeal. Whether you're looking for inspiration or ready to embark on a front yard makeover, these ideas will help you create a visually appealing and inviting garden. Planting your front yard flower bed. Assessing your front yard. Before diving into the world of flower bed design, it's essential to evaluate your front yard's layout, size, and existing features. Consider factors such as sunlight exposure, soil conditions, and any architectural elements that can guide your garden design. Choosing the right location. Identify strategic areas in your front yard where flower beds can make the most impact. Consider framing your entrance, emphasizing the walkway, or enhancing the focal points of your home's facade. Designing with variety. Opt for a mix of flowers with different heights, colors, and textures to create visual interest and depth. Incorporate evergreen shrubs, ornamental grasses, and flowering perennials for year-round appeal. Flower bed ideas for front yard landscaping. Colorful cottage garden. Create a whimsical and inviting front yard with a cottage garden theme. Combine an array of vibrant flowers such as roses, daisies, and lavender to achieve an enchanting and romantic atmosphere. Modern minimalist approach. For a sleek and contemporary look, go for a minimalist design using clean lines and a limited color palette. Plant low-maintenance flowers like succulents, ornamental grasses, and agaves to achieve a modern and sophisticated front yard. Seasonal flower showcase. Switch up your flower bed design with each season to keep your front yard looking fresh and vibrant year-round. Incorporate bulbs for spring, colorful annuals for summer, and ornamental cabbages for fall to add visual interest and variety. Enhancing outdoor aesthetics. Pathway perfection. Line your front yard walkway with flower beds to create a welcoming and inviting entrance. Use low-growing flowers, such as creeping thyme or alyssum, to border the pathway and guide visitors towards your front door. Vertical garden magic. Utilize vertical space by installing trellises, arbors, or hanging baskets to add height and dimension to your front yard flower beds. Climbing roses, clematis, or morning glories can transform your front yard into a lush and captivating space. Symmetry and balance. Achieve a harmonious and visually pleasing front yard by incorporating symmetrical flower bed designs on either side of your entrance. Use a variety of flowers, shrubs, and ornamental trees to create balance and a sense of order. Transforming your front yard into a bright and beautiful space doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these front yard flower bed ideas, you can create a visually stunning outdoor space that reflects your personal style and significantly enhances your curb appeal. Whether you opt for a cottage garden, a minimalist design, or seasonal flower showcases, remember to choose flowers and plants that thrive in your local climate. With proper planning and creativity, you can turn your front yard into a captivating garden that will leave a lasting impression on visitors and passers-by. A well-maintained front yard is essential for enhancing the curb appeal of your home. One of the best ways to achieve a visually appealing front yard is by incorporating vibrant and colorful flower beds. In this article, we will explore a variety of front yard flower bed ideas that will help you transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and inviting oasis. From garden design tips to flower bed inspiration, we will provide you with the necessary knowledge to create a stunning front yard that will leave a lasting impression on your guests. Front yard landscaping, a gateway to impressive outdoor aesthetics. Importance of front yard landscaping in creating a welcoming atmosphere. Utilizing flower beds as focal points in your front yard design. Mixing different flower varieties to create a visually stunning display. Creative flower bed ideas for a front yard makeover. Incorporating raised flower beds for added dimension and visual interest. Utilizing edging materials to define and separate flower beds. Mixing flowers with other decorative elements such as statues or trellises. Inspiring garden designs for front yard flower beds. Designing a symmetrical front yard with matching flower beds on either side of the entrance. Creating a cottage-style garden with a mix of annuals and perennials. Using different heights and textures to add depth and visual appeal to your flower beds. By incorporating these bright and beautiful front yard flower bed ideas, you can transform your curb appeal and create a visually stunning outdoor space. Whether you opt for a symmetrical garden design or a cottage-style flower bed, the key is to choose vibrant flowers that complement your home's exterior. With proper maintenance and care, your front yard will become a welcoming oasis that impresses visitors and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your home. So, get creative with your curb appeal and let your front yard bloom with beauty and charm. Your front yard is the first impression visitors have of your home, so it's essential to make it welcoming and visually appealing. By incorporating these front yard flower bed ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant and beautiful oasis. From colorful gardens to strategically placed focal points, the possibilities are endless. Embrace your creativity and let your front yard reflect your personal style while enhancing your home's curb appeal.